everyone, this is Laura Myers and Venus Tamturk for CMS-Connected. We are joined by Nir, a product manager at Microsoft, to tell us a little bit more about what they're working on right now.
Oh, thanks for having me. So it's always fun to be in an Episerver event. I did ones in Stockholm and London last year, and it's great to be a part of the CMS evolution together with Epi, because we've been partners for the last 5 years, and it's great to see how the technology is evolving together. And you know, we at Microsoft talk a lot about digital transformation, how we take businesses, and every company today is a software company, and you have to create these applications and interact with your customers, and in many different ways, right? So we used to have websites, now we have our cars, we have our mobile phones, we have all these devices. So it's great to go hand in hand and build these things together. So my team actually works on the web and back end that Episerver is running on. So Episerver is a big Azure partner, and we're glad to have them. And my team actually delivers the technology that Epi is running on. So today we did a session talking about how you can take the stuff you have in Episerver and extend it.
All right. So during the keynotes, they were talking about the partnership with Episerver and Microsoft, and there are some features are powered by Microsoft. So, for example, like voice-activated features and the cloud, apparently. So, what are those features you guys are excited about to work with together?
Yeah, so that's great. I mean, we're seeing a lot of people saying, okay, we want to interact with people in a more intelligent way. So. You guys don't remember, but I probably remember in the 90s we talked a lot about personalization. And when you think about it, what can be more personalized than something like Cortana, which is your assistant, and she knows your name and you can talk to it. So at Microsoft we have a great investment in what we call the cognitive APIs. So those are services that developers can use to add intelligence to their applications. So for example, you can build a web application and the text input, and you can run this input through these machine learning AI APIs and check for people's sentiment, or you can see what type of mood they're in and so on. Microsoft even took it a step further, because we allow you to do what is called training. You can go train your machine learning or your AI algorithm, and you can say, hey, I want to scan documents and I want to scan them for things that are specific to my business. Are those likely customers for me? So it's a very exciting area that we're embarking on. It's more than just being able to really target a customer with the things that they care about, but it's also talking to them in different ways.
That kind of interaction, and you said that you were talking about it in the 90s, so you've probably seen so many things that were just ideas come, happen before your eyes.
Yeah, it's been a wild ride. I've been working on web stuff since I think, wow, I want to say 1998 or so. And I still remember the first Yahoo personalized portal, where you can kind of drag and drop things and create your own portal. And today we take these things sort of for granted, right? But there's so much we can do now with machine learning. And I think, again, the more interesting thing is that we were kind of used to, hey, we interact with our customers using a web application or a desktop application. Then we had mobile phones, but now we have devices you can talk to. We have your car, we have this whole IoT things where you have sensors all around you that can collect data. So there's a much richer universe of knowledge. A bit freaky, I suppose.
So cool, actually. They were showing I think product of like the manager of product, he was showing how you can put the content on your website, just saying that. Like he was like, Cortana, put my content on the website, like put this article on my website, and boom, next thing you know, it's over there. Even I got so excited about it. That would be so fun and so easy to do it. So yeah, we are so excited how you guys are going to evolve together.
No, it's great. I think we've seen the same demo in the fall in the Ascend in London, where instead of talking to a device, you can work with a chatbot that was helping with the workflow of publishing content. So instead of going through these forms and clicking these buttons, you get some kind of a thing to talk to and say, hey, here's my document. It'll tell you it's ready or not. The nice thing from our perspective is that all of these applications use the same logic in the backend, right? So you have Episerver that has a great processor on publishing content. Now you can talk to Episerver with a chatbot, with Cortana. You can talk to it with text. You can talk to it with web app, or you can do approvals from your phone. And all of that is powered by these features we have in the Azure cloud.
Perfect.
That's very exciting.
I know.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for detailing all that
for
for
having
us.
us.
This is wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks
you.
for having me.
Thanks.
Thanks.